Hello everyone, I would like to show you project machine learning. Click run all. Just a moment. Waiting for open recognition. Yes, right. Okay, just now you see empty. It's empty because nobody is here. Okay, please, you're welcome, elephant. And you see the word elephant. Yeah. Next. Beep beep. It is a car. You see the word a car. Car. Yeah. It's right. And next. It is a crocodile. I'll try. Yeah. We see the word crocodile. Okay. Stop it. Okay, I would like to tell some words about it. You see the code. Before the coding, we must to have machine learning. For example, open machine learning. Okay, this project image classifier. And I have 4 classes: crocodile, elephant, car, and empty. Next, I trained the model, and after it, export model, and just test it using webcam. Okay. You see, it is a crocodile. Next animal, elephant. Green line, 100% it is elephant. And next, it is a car. Red line, it is a car. Yeah. And empty. Yes, I'm empty. Okay. Let's try again. Birds. Elephant. Crocodile. Okay. Just now we must do export model. And we have this code. Don't change these lines. Don't change. But we can change text color, for example, font, scale, thickness, etc. For example, change the first number. Click run all. Okay, open recognition, and you see white line. Yes. It is a car. It is a crocodile. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.